welcome back to another YouTube video. So in this video I'm actually going to my hometown for my mom's birthday, and I decided to drop into a Goodwill store on my way home. Now I really didn't have a lot of time to go to other thrift stores, but I did get a chance to go to one Goodwill, and also I called a Roses Express. If you guys don't know what a Roses Express store is, or if you've ever seen one and never went into the store, then I don't know what's going on with you, because Roses is everything. Okay, I got this shirt right here, you know, get into it for $3.99. Mainly I actually go to Roses to get my cleaning supplies, but I do typically, whenever I'm home, I do try to go to the local Roses because they have really great t-shirts, bedroom shoes, sweatpants. Sometimes they have great comforters as well. They have shoes as well. I've purchased some shoes from there. And I just took you guys along the way. So in this vlog, you will actually see me thrifting in the Goodwill off of Rayford Road in Fayetteville, North Carolina. And then you will also see me, well, not thrifting, but I went into Roses just to show y'all what it's all about. All right, we're in Fayetteville, North Carolina, off of Rayford Road. The Goodwill. So first, let's just get into what I purchased at the thrift store when I went for Fayetteville. Okay, so we're gonna start with this. I don't know who mama, who grandma, I don't know, but she was fancy. I looked this shirt, this brand, it's called Helmut Lane, the brand, and I looked it up online, and this shirt is actually going for $250 online. I don't know, but you know your girl had to take it off the rack, and I think it was only $4.99. So it's the material lightweight, it's silky, and I actually love it because I can dress this up and I can dress this down, okay? Because this right here is giving me all of what it needs to give me, okay? And so it is my size. It is a medium, but I do feel like it fits you as a large. And this right here, this gives your waistline, if you're like typically trying to like hide your stomach area or anything of that sort, this will do that for you. And I love that because I could actually, you know, tuck this in and it still has that actual same effect. Love this shirt. I don't know, whoever, grandma, mother, whoever you are, and you donated this to the Goodwill in Fayetteville, North Carolina, I truly appreciate you and your thoughtfulness, because God is gonna bless you, okay? He is gonna bless you abundantly for allowing me to find this shirt. Like, get into it. Okay, enough of it. Okay, so my next buy, again, I did not have a lot of time in the store. I was really trying to get home and just enjoy my time with my family, so I probably only I probably only spent about 10 minutes in the store. It was just a walk around, see what they have, and then just leave, and whatever caught my eye, I was just gonna get it. So I have these actual pants. These are Forever 21, and these are high-waisted pants, and they have that silky material. I don't know what's going on with me and silk. I don't know, but they have this silk material as well as this white line right down the actual pant line. They are wide legs. They are super cute on, and I'm so grateful that I can wear these as well, because you know, Thrift, Goodwill, or you know, the thrifting stores that I've been to, the fitting rooms are closed, so you just have to pray. And thank God that I was able to fit these. Super cute. They don't have a belt buckle, but that's really cute because it kind of gives you this waistline. And I love these. These are super cute. Okay, and the next purchase is this actual blazer. Super cute. It's navy and gray. I feel like I can dress this up or down. And then we have this boohoo dress. I'm actually going to repurpose this into an actual shirt. I do love the orange color of this, so I didn't want to leave this in the store. So I can't wait to show you guys how I repurpose this actual dress. So stay tuned. So yeah, that's all I got from the actual thrift store. Again, I didn't have a lot of time and I didn't want to spend a lot of time. I just seen a thrift store and I was like, hey, and so I went in it and I came right back out. But those are the finds that I did find. But you know, stay tuned because I am actually going to thrift around Fayetteville the next time, because I do know of some really great thrift stores. It just, this particular store was open at like 9 o'clock and the other ones opened at 10. So given like my time frame, I didn't really have a lot of time to like go to another one. But I am gonna make a vlog the next time that I am down Fayetteville. I will make a vlog of all of the places that you should shop for thrift items in Fayetteville. So stay tuned for that. I'm a window. Those are cute. That is cute, huh? So comfortable, so y'all please don't slip. Don't be give me some Yeezys, you know what I'm saying, and the roses, you know what I'm saying, give me some Yeezys. Oh, you know what I mean. Let's get into this roses. Okay, let me show y'all what I got from roses. Okay, so first, I've already emptied out all of my cleaning supplies. So basically what I get from roses is the Kaboom, you know, the purple Kaboom. I actually get that from roses because it is the cheapest that I've ever seen it, and I think it's like $2.50 or $2.99. I'm not sure the exact price. So I got that, and I did get some pine saw as well because I'm from the country and we love pine saw. Like, if your house doesn't smell like pine saw, then throw the whole house away. So I got pine saw and just some more cleaning supplies. I got this shirt right here, you know, Africa, and then I like this little, you know, crown here because it is what it is. And this would be like definitely something that I can throw on for the days that I do not want to put on actual clothes when I am working from home, or if I am out running errands. I can definitely put on this. I could dress this up and I can dress this down. So I love the versatile of the actual t-shirt that they have. And they do have a lot of Black Pride shirts. So like Black Girl Magic shirts, just anything that you could ever think about, they have it there. Just sayings on the shirt, you know, you just come and it's just for the culture. They have a section for the culture, and I love that. And sometimes, and I was telling Marcus that I didn't have any shirts, anything like that, so I knew that I had to rack up, and they're only $3.99 for t-shirts. I mean, that's cheaper than thrifting the t-shirts. You understand? Do you, are we here? Okay. I don't know, I was having a hard time. I really wanted a small in these sweatpants, but I could not find a small, thank God, because I tried these on and they are a little on the small side. So these are actually a medium. They're sweatpants, you know, nothing really spectacular. I got 2 of these, and brown here, and I did get another shirt. This is another one of my t-shirts that I purchased, and it was super cute, pink, you know, all about the culture. Okay, needed to have. And this purple was good on me too, right? This purple. Another again, this shirt was $4.99. This one was $4.99. This one, Black Girl Magic, because your girl is Black Girl Magic. Okay, get into it. And then they got Black Girl, these soft gold toe slippers. Get into it. These are super comfortable. They were only $7.99. These are the original price is $32. Any other retail store, you're gonna pay an arm and a leg for gold toe, but these are really nice. And it's gonna be on winter soon, and you guys know I love something on my feet, so I grabbed these. But I hope that you guys enjoyed my roses and slightly thrift haul.